Today I'm gonna make a catapult. I need popsicle sticks, glue, rubber bands, and a spoon. We need to stick popsicle sticks like this. Then we need to stick the popsicle sticks like this. I'm gonna fix the spoon to a popsicle stick. Then I'm gonna make my catapult with rubber bands. This is what I made. This is my catapult. This is my catapult. This is how it works.